Hi guys, this video is to help you with your Unit 9, Day 6 worksheet. We're going to start by looking at number 3. The first thing I need to do is I need to distribute, because I see that I have some parentheses there. So that's going to give me x to the third minus 5x. Now I can combine some like terms. I still have 216 plus x on the left, but on the right I can combine the minus 5x and the plus 6x. That gives me x to the third plus x. Now I can combine like terms on opposite sides of the equal sign. Subtracting x from both sides leaves me with 216 equals x to the third. Now I can take the cube root of 216, and that's going to give me 6. Be very careful. Make sure you're taking the cube root, not the square root. And remember, when I'm taking the cube root, I don't end up with a plus or minus sign. That I only end up with those two roots when I'm finding an even type of root. Okay, next up we're going to look over at question number 4. So the first thing I have to do is I have to square this, and I'm really going to square both things in the parentheses. So that gives me 64x squared equals 1. I know I need to have the squared alone, so I'm going to divide both sides by 64, and I'm going to leave that as a fraction, because if I have a fraction, when I take the square root, I think it's much easier for me to find those roots. Remember, when I square root something, I get a positive or negative answer, and square rooting the top, square root of 1 is just 1, and the square root of 64 is 8. Okay. If you have any questions, please let us know.